Hi everyone, my name is Kathy Casasilla. I'm the Associate Director in Career Services, and I know you're a freshman, still trying to figure out where the bathrooms are and how you're going to get from one class to the other. Who has time to think about a career? Well, more than 40% of our students receive an internship after their first year here. We believe Career Services is one of the main reasons. Here's a quick look at some of our services. We know no two students are the same, and that's why we offer one-on-one career coaching as well as group workshops. All of our services will be available both in person as well as virtual for those who might not be as comfortable in a face-to-face setting yet. We're going to teach you a new meaning to the word handshake. That's the name of our online job board here at Rose-Hulman, and you will find hundreds of internship opportunities, all seeking Rose-Hulman students. We make that happen through building and maintaining relationships with companies all over the country and by creating events that bring those companies to our campus every year. To prepare you for those events, our staff will help you build a professional resume, teach you how to write a cover letter and communicate with recruiters, prep you for job interviews, and for those of you who really don't know what you want to do yet, we can help you with that process as well. But one of the things I am most proud of is our talented staff. There are very few career services offices in this country that has a licensed PhD psychologist. We happen to be one of them. Here is Dr. Michael Latta.
Thanks, Kathy. Searching for an internship comes with its own level of stress and anxiety. In the Office of Career Services, we know that, and we are here to help. One of my roles as a career advisor is to use my training and knowledge to serve as a liaison between the Office of Career Services and other offices on campus, such as the Office of Accessibility Services. While my primary focus is on assisting students with career-related topics, I can also be of assistance in finding additional campus resources and support. Now, on to finding that internship. Once your career advisor gets to know you and has a better understanding of your specific needs, it's important to create an individualized career plan. Maybe you've never applied to or held a job. We can help you build the skills that employers are looking for. Not every person walks in the door as a freshman knowing exactly what they want to be when they grow up. We offer a service that will help with that too. It's called My Plan. And after answering a series of questions, you will have a better understanding of your career interests as well as your strengths and weaknesses. So, as you settle into being a student at Rose-Hulman, be sure and visit us in the Office of Career Services. Remember, the sooner we meet you, the better we can get to know you. The better we get to know you, the sooner you will have the skills you need to land that first internship.